Hello, I'm Chris, certified RV technician for Unique Camping and Marine. I'm going to be walking you through the directions and throwing in some tips and tricks, and then hopefully answering some frequently asked questions about using Unique's RV Digest It Plus. For a black tank treatment, dump the black water holding tank. Rinse the black tank out thoroughly to remove any residual waste or previous treatments which might have been used in the tank. The major difference between RV Digest It Plus and RV Digest It Classic is that RV Digest It Plus has our strongest formula, our best ingredients, and the most technology we've ever put into a product. Close the black water holding tank valve. Add 3 to 5 gallons of fresh water to your black tank by holding the flush pedal down for a full minute. Before adding RV Digest It Plus to the holding tank, be sure that you add 3 to 5 gallons worth of water to the holding tank. In order to do this, hold the RV flush pedal down on the toilet for a full minute. That should allow 3 to 5 gallons of water to enter into the tank, which should be enough to get the process started for RV Digest It Plus. Fill the toilet bowl halfway full with water. Shake the bottle of RV Digest It Plus well. The only difference between RV Digest It Plus pods and RV Digest It Plus liquid is personal preference. If it's easier for you to put in one pod versus measuring out 2 ounces of the liquid, then that is certainly up to you. They will both do an excellent job at breaking down waste and toilet paper inside of the black water holding tank. Pour 2 ounces of RV Digest It Plus into the toilet bowl, and then use 4 ounces if this is your initial time using RV Digest It Plus in your black water holding tank. If you choose to use RV Digest It Plus liquid form, 6 capfuls of the liquid, which comes on the cap, will equal out to 2 ounces of RV Digest It Plus, which is 1 treatment for the tank. If more is added in there, don't worry, it won't do any damage to the tank or anything inside of it. For RVs with holding tanks that are sized between 1 gallon and 40 gallons, use only 1 treatment of RV Digest It Plus. If your RV has a black water holding tank which is greater than 40 gallons, add 2 doses of RV Digest It Plus. Flush the toilet and hold the flush pedal down for between 10 to 20 seconds. The best time to add RV Digest It Plus to the black water holding tank is when you first arrive at the campground site. Or if you're boondocking, the best time to put in RV Digest It Plus is right before you leave to drive to the boondocking location. Fill the holding tank with 3 to 5 gallons of water by holding the toilet flush pedal down for a full minute, and then add 2 ounces of RV Digest It Plus or 1 drop-in pod of RV Digest It Plus. Add several inches of water to the toilet bowl. The toilet should be ready to be used now. Keeping roughly a half toilet bowl full of water in between uses of the toilet will help to create a vapor barrier in between the black water holding tank and the rest of the RV. This will help to ensure for an odor-free RVing experience. In order to fill the toilet bowl halfway full, simply hold down the RV toilet flush pedal just enough so that water is able to start entering into the toilet bowl, but not enough to open up the ball valve at the bottom, which will then allow the water to drain into the tank. Dump the black water holding tank after 3 to 5 days of use, or when your sensors are showing 2/3 to full inside the black water holding tank. RV Digest It Plus is a number 1 in the Unique method. What that will mean is that it needs to be used every single time which you dump the RV holding tank. To learn more about the Unique method, click on the link below. It will walk you through the entire process of maintaining and keeping a clean and odor-free RV black tank. RV Digest It Plus does not just break down waste and toilet paper, it also eliminates odors by attacking the odors at their source. RV Digest It Plus is your everyday holding tank treatment. It is not designed to break down clogs which might have formed inside of the black water holding tank, or get rid of debris which might have fouled up sensors. We have other products which can tackle those specifically head on. RV Digest It Plus contains living bacteria inside of the product. Because of that, make sure that you don't use anything which has antimicrobial properties when cleaning in or around the toilet to keep from disrupting the waste breakdown that the bacteria can provide in the holding tank. For the gray or galley tank, start by dumping the gray or galley tank. Close the gray tank or galley tank valve. Add 1 to 3 gallons of fresh water to the gray or galley tank through whichever sink makes sense for that particular tank. Shake the bottle of RV Digest It Plus well. Pour 2 ounces of RV Digest It Plus into whichever sink is going to either the gray tank or the galley tank, and then rinse plenty of water so it moves the RV Digest It Plus into the gray or galley tank. Repeat this process every time when you go to dump the gray or galley tank. RV Digest It Plus will help you with your blackwater holding tank in any environment, including extremely high temperature areas and areas where it can get very cold. Just make sure that your blackwater holding tank does not reach freezing levels while you are using your RV. Well, that about wraps it up. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions and leave them down in the comments section. We can add them then to the FAQ section of the product page. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.